Step in this bitch and I'm ready to work. No Wellin, yeah, that shit on my shirt.
Hey, this nigga fresh off the stage. How you feeling about that shit, bro?
I just fuck this shit up, man.
I'm mad. Yeah.
Real, man.
I'm mad.
Bitch, you know I'm still the realest, still the biggest. On your head, I put them dead niggas. Come on your block, put red in it. Ayy, caught a ticket. Fresh from out the feds with it. We on mad time. That's how I move a fed really. You know I'm still the realest, still the biggest. On your head, I put them dead niggas. Come on your block, put red in it. Ayy, caught a ticket. Fresh from out the feds with it. We on mad time. That's how I move a fed really.
What the fuck is up?
Who that Glock
Hey, y'all turn up.
It's a banger right here, Chicho.
I'm back and I'm bringing them full effect. Switch from the Glock and got it. Down they in, they got it. Young niggas stepping on me. When I got locked, they went dead on me. Then what you do, I went fed on me. Young nigga, what I'm big homie. Back in the town with that. The war on side, best up. Came home, y'all ripped my chest up. Don't think you could get it, your next up. Walk down, you get hit from the neck up. Pop out them bush like, guess what? I do what I want, they gon' check what? I'm running that check up. Come on, Palma's on blast up. Got Drake, got switch me so shit. Out of bounds, get hit with that blow stick. And I keep it solid on no shit. Got 357, I throw six. But where the dog get bought back? Right after the show, you can drop shots. I talk like this, I got raps. Put a dove in his head and get whacked. Cause fuck, they yelling out cold low. No bitch keep giving me jail talk. They shoot from the 3 and the trace up. 3 in the morning, trace up. I know how to move, I'm too swift. Police at the door, gotta move quick. G-Lock out the box with 2 sticks. 4-5 hit me, few flips. You know I'm out. Hey, let's go. Just put this twist on me, 23. I'm hanging with him. Pop my bitch. Your bitch on her head and she climbing for me. When I fuck from the back, I be pulling her weed. If I'm running with dude, we might shoot up the shit. Keep talking that shit, we gon' shoot up the street. Hey, pause for a second, I'ma fuck up the beat. When I get off the box, we gon' turn up the streets. Hey, walk outside every day, try to get rich. Go in the club, you know we gon' get lit. Coming through crazy, your ass might get hit. Niggas gon' come off the wall with that fat shit. Dirty step in the building and get right. Already on me, I ain't gotta get tight. Fucking with K, we outside all night. Roll with the gym, you run with 2 nuts. You know about riding with sticks in the bucket. Low hop out on feet, had a bust. Me and my niggas locked in, I love it. Tony Montana on fuck with Columbia. Niggas won't beef on the net, I ain't drawn. We gon' hop out with that shit, put it on. Niggas can't beat us and niggas can't join. Fuck you switch up and we coming to full. On the block when I bang, we standing on shit. If you fuck with the Oscar, I'll look at you different. Micro Drake, they short like a midget. Close to the streets, I'm the heart of the trench. I'm going on a mission, be back in a minute. That cock come down, we see it, we flip. That nigga keep dancing, I say I'm a hit. The fuck was you playing with, nigga? I'm from the trenches out right now, y'all ready to turn up?
Yeah, turn that shit up.
Glock Jones for real, nigga. Let's go. Turn up. Glock Jones, let's start going out. At the top of the house, we going out. Jump, we rolling out. Hood and throw it out. You know about what I get. This is a bit I'ma spend. My homie's been there for a minute. I'm fucking her good, I be breaking her back. Bitch, she get slapped. Put on the smack. Put the whole hood on my back. That's a fact. Bitch sound like a Mac. I got something to say on everybody, yeah. This run ain't lit. Nothing, nobody get hit. How the fuck you ever look it up on your bitch? Different, we update shit. Big boy don't mix. Y'all sing that shit, y'all sing that shit.
That gangsta back, why you ain't perform that gangsta back, bro?
Oh man, you wanted me to hit that jump?
That's right, that's that shit. Hey, you fucked that joint up though, bro. How you feeling to be back in action, back in the mix and everything,
Man,
doing
I
your
feel
thing?
good, man. I'm blessed to be out here with all the people, man. This is a beautiful event, man. I'm just blessed to be here, son.
Right. No question. Barack, man, put me on to you too. He was
That's
like,
my
man, you
man.
gotta
Barack,
get
one of
him
my
with
favorite rappers, top 5 in the city. Ever,
Shout out
hands
Barack.
down. Shout out Barack,
I'm man. What's next for you? What you see coming up for Glock Jones, man? What he on, man? What's
Got
his
a greatness.
route?
I'm about to drop another tape. I don't know the name yet, but I got another tape coming, couple features coming out, man. Y'all just stay tuned, man.
Okay.
Y'all just stay tuned.
Shout out to Glock Jones, man. Keep doing your thing. No Wellin, I ain't gonna hold you. I know you on the way. You hear me?
Yes, sir.
And we
Yes,
gotta
sir.
sit down, man. I'm gonna get something together, man. We can sit down. Glock Jones, man. Shout out to him.
Nah, you already know.
No question.
Thank you.
Step in this bitch and I'm ready to work. No Wellin, yeah, that shit on my shirt.